Good morning, students. In the previous lectures, we have studied errors due to a sum, errors due to a difference, error due to a multiplication, error due to a division. Now, let us see what will happen if a quantity is raised to the power. So, x is equal to a to the power m, a to the power n upon b to the power m. So, can it be written as a to the power n into b to the power minus m? Yes, mathematically it can be written as. So, delta is the absolute error in the measurement of A. In the previous lecture also, delta A means the absolute error. There I have written error. So that error is the which type of error? Absolute error in the measurement of A. Similarly, delta B is the absolute error in the measurement of the B. And delta X is the absolute error in the measurement of a to the power n upon b to the power n. So what we have to do, we will differentiate the equation 1 with respect to independent variable. All of you know the differentiation very well. The product rule means the d by dx first into second. So first differentiation of second plus second differentiation of first. This formula, remember that we have studied in the differentiation lecture. Okay. So first differentiation of second plus second differentiation of first. One more formula we will apply here, d by dx x to the power n. This we have studied. So x to the power n means n, the power will come in front, n into x to the power n minus 1. So we are going to use these two formula here. Okay. So delta x, that is equal to first, let it be this be first, this is the second. So first will remain as it is, differentiation of second. So minus m a to the power, b to the power minus m minus 1. Minus m, this power will come in front, and b to the power m minus 1. So m is minus m minus 1. Okay. Delta b. So this is first differentiation of second plus second as it is will remain here, and differentiation of the first. So n into a to the power n minus 1. Okay. First differentiation of second plus second differentiation of first. So here the power will come in front, n into a to the power n minus 1 into delta a. Okay. Now can we write like this, a to the power n here minus m upon b to the power m plus 1. When this will come in the denominator portion, the minus sign will become plus. And can this be written in this way, b to the power m into b to the power 1. Okay. So it can be written mathematically. Plus this can be written as 1 upon b to the power m, n into a to the power n upon a to the power 1. This minus sign will come here. Okay. So it will become plus. What we have learned, a to the power m upon a to the power n, it can be written as a to the power m minus n from the law of exponent. So this can be written in this way. Okay. So into delta a. Now we will take common it. Why we have written like this? Because a to the power n from the numerator portion and b to the power m from the denominator portion we will take common from both. Okay, so a to the power n upon b to the power m. So we have taken common from both the parts. So here minus m delta b upon b, okay, plus n, a to the power m, b to the power n we have taken common, so n into delta a upon a. So a to the power m upon b to the power m, that is equal to x. Okay, so delta x is equal to x, or we can take over here, so it will divide here. So can we write like this, n into delta a upon a minus m into delta b upon b. In terms of the errors, in terms of the fractional error, what we will write? Delta x upon x here, that is equal to plus minus n delta a upon m. In terms of the fractional errors, plus minus n delta a upon a, when here plus minus, so it will become minus plus m delta b upon b. So the maximum possible error is how much? Delta x upon x is equal to plus minus n delta a upon a plus m delta b upon b. This is the maximum possible error. Now, how to memorize it? See here, x is equal to a to the power n upon b to the power m. So what has happened here? We are always finding out the maximum possible error. So this power which is coming in front. So n into delta a upon a. Whenever we are calculating the fractional error, this power will come in front along with the sign. See, a to the power n. So here what we are writing, n delta a upon a plus m delta b upon b. So this we will understand through a numerical. Okay, thank you.